Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting video from Ocean Interaction, your go-to channel for all things games and game development. Today, we've got a fascinating topic on the agenda. We'll be exploring and explaining every game engine out there. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your journey into game design, this video will give you a comprehensive overview of some of the most popular game engines in the industry. So, buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive right in. Our first contender on the list is Unity. Known for its versatility, Unity supports both 2D and 3D game development. It's a favorite among indie developers and professionals alike, offering a user-friendly interface and a vast asset store. Whether you're creating a mobile game or a virtual reality experience, Unity has got you covered. Next up is Unreal Engine, a powerhouse in the 3D gaming world. Unreal Engine boasts stunning graphics and is often the go-to choice for high-end game development. It's free to use, with royalties only kicking in once your game starts making money. Unreal Engine is a top pick for those looking to create visually breathtaking experiences. Now, let's talk about Godot. This open-source game engine is gaining popularity for its simplicity and flexibility. It supports both 2D and 3D game development, making it a solid choice for developers looking for a free and community-driven platform. After that, we have GameMaker Studio. GameMaker Studio takes the stage as a fantastic tool for 2D game development. Known for its drag-and-drop interface, it's beginner-friendly yet powerful enough for professionals. GameMaker Studio has been behind several indie hits and remains a reliable choice for sprite-based games. Next is Source. The Source is developed by Valve and is the engine behind iconic titles like Half-Life and Portal. It's known for its robust physics engine and modding capabilities. Source has been instrumental in shaping the gaming landscape and continues to be a staple in the industry. Construct. The Construct is a user-friendly HTML5 game engine that requires no coding. It's perfect for those who want to focus on game design without delving into complex programming. With a visual scripting system, Construct is an excellent choice for quick prototyping and 2D game development. Next is CryEngine. The CryEngine steps into the spotlight with its cutting-edge graphics and realistic physics. It's a favorite among developers aiming for top-tier visuals, especially in the realm of AAA games. CryEngine has been used in titles like Crysis and Star Citizen. Moving on to a more educational side of things, we have Scratch. Aimed at teaching programming to beginners, Scratch is a block-based visual programming language. It's a fantastic starting point for aspiring young developers. After that, we have Clickteam Fusion. Clickteam Fusion is known for its simplicity and rapid game development capabilities. It's a versatile tool that caters to both beginners and advanced developers. With a range of export options, Clickteam Fusion supports various platforms. Next up is RPG Maker. RPG Maker is a game engine tailored for, you guessed it, role-playing games. It simplifies the process of creating classic RPGs, making it accessible for those with a passion for storytelling and game design. Next is GDevelop. GDevelop is an open-source game engine suitable for both beginners and experienced developers. It's renowned for its visual programming interface and supports the creation of both 2D and 3D games. After that, we have BuildBox. BuildBox is a no-code game development platform that allows you to create games without any programming knowledge. It's perfect for those who want to focus on game design and avoid the intricacies of coding. The next one is Defold. Defold is a collaborative game development platform with a strong emphasis on efficiency. It's particularly useful for cross-platform game development, making it easier for developers to reach a wider audience. Next is Phaser. Phaser is a fast and robust framework for building browser-based games. It's built on the popular programming language JavaScript and is great for developers who want to create web games with ease. Finally, let's touch on frameworks. This category includes various tools and libraries that provide the building blocks for game development. Developers often use frameworks to tailor their game engines to specific needs. And there you have it, folks, that was quite the journey through the gaming engine landscape. Now, the burning question, which is the best game engine? Well, it depends on your needs. For 3D game development, Unreal Engine stands out with its breathtaking graphics and advanced features. On the other hand, if you're diving into the world of 2D games, GameMaker Studio takes the crown for its user-friendly interface and powerful 2D game development capabilities. Remember, the best game engine for you is the one that aligns with your skills, project requirements, and personal preferences. So, go ahead, experiment, and find the engine that fuels your creative fire. That's a wrap for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give your feedback and write your best part of the video in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ocean Interaction for more gaming content. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy gaming.